The POWERPLUS PP220E Mark 11 excavator is manufactured with the most stringent quality standards to operate efficiently and reliably even in the harshest working conditions. The wide operational view provides improved visibility for precise maneuvers, while the ergonomic cabin provides comfort for the operator. Built with premium components, the PP220E is designed to perform with durability, reliability, and longevity. Possessing a maximum swing speed of 11.5 RPM and a bucket capacity of 1 cubic meters, swift and efficient operation can be assured.